Welcome to Language Coaching Geneva. My name is Margot Richman. I'm the founder of LCG and I teach business English in Switzerland. Today I'm going to talk about the business English term foresight. Foresight is the ability to judge correctly what is going to happen in the future and plan your actions based on this knowledge. For example, she didn't have the foresight to sell her apartment just before the housing market collapsed. In a management or in a business context, a foresight is similar to a vision. For instance, I thank you for your foresight, your courage, and your support during my 2 years as chair. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video inspires you to use this business English term in a professional context. You're welcome to check out our website, follow us on social media, and on our YouTube channel.